Hi guys! Good evening. Ito pala yung dinner namin kasi mga tamad kami magluto. Kaya ito, chili tops, tapos salami pizza. Ito, salami din. Dalawa yung niluto namin kasi tag-iisa kami. Yun yung mga katamaran. Yun siya kasi nga malamig dito. Kaya walang maisip si partner na lutuin. Kaya ito na lang. Pizza for dinner. Andito na si partner. Bumaba na siya. Say hi!
Hi, Christy burned our food, so I had to buy and make new one.
What did you say again?
Christy burned all the food, so I had to make new.
No,
Yes,
it's not.
yes.
No. Tapos ito. We're going where? We're eating on the table or
Where do you want to eat? Up to you.
up to me?
Yeah.
Say hi to my viewers first.
Hi,
Follow.
Hi viewers, you need to learn, you need to teach Christy how to cook. Not to burn pizza.
No. It's not my fault.
By the way, she really loves being called Silly Bean.
So, it's time to eat.
I'm so tired.
No one can see you.
No, no.
Tired of pizza. Kain ba tayo pizza?
It's been a long day.
Long day, yeah. I'm so tired.
Yeah, you've been lying on the couch. It's been really rough for you, huh?
Yeah. It's very rough for me. So you're gonna meet to it. Go outside and run. Freezing.
You can
Run
just
around.
run around, yeah, go for a run.
Run around.
Yeah. Or you could have flirted with the plumber who was here, so we could have gotten a discount. Maybe some, to give him
Are you crazy?
kiss for 1,000 kroner off if he kiss you. You could have did like that.
It's nice. Not bad.
No. Not for frozen pizza.
It's hot.
Yeah.
Need tissue?
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you, babe.
Okay, bye guys. Kain na kami. Bye-bye. See, bye.
Bye.